Hello everyone, my name is Michael LeBlanc and in this video I'll be demonstrating my two-project Visual Studios solution for assignment 4.1. The solution includes a primary GUI application and a separate DLL project that contains reusable logic. I'll walk through the Solution Explorer, explain how the DLL is referenced, show the code, and then demo the application from a new user's perspective. Okay, so here we go. This is my Visual Studio solution. As you can see, two projects inside one solution, the Google project, which is the startup project, and the DLL project. The contains all the user interface forms, buttons, text boxes, and even handlers. The DLL project contains the core logic of the application. This separation mirrors real-world development where usable logic is isolated from the UL. Here you can see that my GUI project references the DLL. I added this by going to Add Reference, then Projects, and selecting my DLL project. This allows the GUI to call methods inside the DLL just like any built-in .NET library. Inside the DLL, I created a class called XClassName. This class contains methods that perform the core logic of the application. I've over-commented the code to explain what each method does and why it exists. GUI code. In the GUI project, I import the DLL namespace and call its methods inside button click events. This demonstrates proper separation of concerns. The GUI handles user interaction, while the DLL handles the logic. Now I'll demonstrate how a new user would interact with the application. As you can see, the app responds correctly, handles invalid input, and uses the DLL behind the scenes to perform calculations or logic. Here's my GitHub repository for this project. It contains the full Visual Studio solution, both projects and all code files. I've commented my work throughout development and pushed the final version here. That concludes my demonstration. In this assignment, I created a Visual Studio solution with the GUI project and a DLL. Reference the DLL properly, use GitHub for source control, and demonstrated the application in this video. Thank you for watching.